Hello, in my factory. I'm making cylinder, hydraulic cylinder for forest tractor, and I just finished cut the some threads into the cylinder shell, but another lathe I make at the top end. It's not yet finished, but it's prepare work for there. I already make a place for this piece, but not make place for this ring, what will be right here, and from another side will be mount this piece, and later it should be screwed in right to here, something like that. Oh, that's good. I think by file I should have finished the threads. So, and I think I here make a place for seal ring, and I should to make a here place for this seal ring, and 10mm I leave and split it off, and it is for this ram will be go through this piece. Thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.